These tropical waters hardly look like a bustling city, but dive into their warm, shallow depths and you may find one of the busiest and most diverse ecosystems in the world, a coral reef. More than 25% of all marine life is located in, on, and around coral reefs, making them the metropolises of the ocean world, housing a wide variety of predators and prey. Truk Lagoon is the largest coral reef in Micronesia, a wide-ranging group of islands in the Pacific Ocean. It is also home to sea anemones and jellyfish. Sea anemones and jellyfish are examples of the many animals in the phylum Cnidaria. Many cnidarians move by riding the ocean carried by currents. But all cnidaria have a central body cavity where food is digested and tentacles surrounding their mouths. Young corals attach themselves to solid surfaces, then grow into a form called a polyp that looks like a vase with tentacles surrounding its mouth. Once the polyps are anchored to something, they begin to grow protective shells made of calcium carbonate, or limestone. When polyps die, the hard shells remain, forming a foundation on which more polyps can grow. Over many generations, a reef is formed. As the coral reef grows, it attracts other marine life. Some plants and animals will make their homes among the coral skeletons. Others will survive by feeding on the corals. Small fish try to escape larger predators by hiding among the coral. You can even find several types of sharks hanging around some reefs looking for a bite to eat. The coral reef is the center of a lively ecosystem thriving under the sea. What substance makes up the protective shells of polyps? As you watch this segment, think about what makes jellyfish different from other cnidarians such as coral and anemones. Jellyfish have no head, no skeleton, and no specialized organ systems, yet they have managed to survive for about 650 million years. They are interesting creatures and have been the subject of much scientific study. Jellyfish are cnidarians, as are coral and sea anemones. But coral and anemones are polyps. They attach to a solid surface with their mouths, and tentacles face up. While the life cycle of some jellyfish includes a polyp stage, these animals eventually float free and become medusae, umbrella-shaped creatures with mouths and tentacles that face down. Most jellyfish float with the ocean currents, but they can swim by expanding and contracting their bodies, pushing water out around them. This process is similar to the way in which jet engines propel an aircraft. Jellyfish can look harmless, even beautiful in their underwater homes, but look out, these animals are hunters. Jellyfish may not be able to chase down their prey, but they make up for it with a powerful weapon. The tips of the jellyfish's tentacles are covered with long, stinging cells. Jellyfish use their stingers to inject their prey with a paralyzing venom. Jellyfish's stinging cells can also be used to discourage predators. Jellyfish will sting humans, but while some jellyfish venom can be fatal, stings from most types of jellyfish will cause only minor irritation. While a sharp sting is certainly one way of getting someone's attention, some jellyfish have another way to get noticed. It's called bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is the ability of a living thing to produce its own light. The light is the result of chemical reactions that take place in the organism's cells. Not all jellyfish are bioluminescent, but those that are can use their light to send signals to other animals. bright flash of light can startle a predator, giving the jellyfish time to escape. And while jellyfish don't have eyes, they do have eye spots that are sensitive to light. So bioluminescence can also help them attract mates. Jellyfish may seem like simple, primitive creatures, but with the ability to sting and capture their prey, propel themselves through water, and use bioluminescence, they have a lot to teach us about survival in the ocean. What is the function of stinging cells?